Hello, here's a quick video to show you how to use DocuSign. You'll see the email from me at DocuSign, and most often I'll try to get some kind of a name here that is reminiscent of what's correct. So you open the email and click on Review Document. Now up here in the top corner, you'll see Start. You'll see some kind of colored block where you need to do something. You click Start, and then you just click on each of these boxes. You're going to have Accept. Click on the next box, click on the next box, and then over here, click Finish. And that's it.